Located in the heart of Houston's manufacturing district, NEMA Enclosures is uniquely positioned to deliver quality, made-to-order electrical enclosures at industry-leading speed. By accepting orders directly from our customers, our proprietary ordering and sheet metal fabrication process allows us to manufacture and ship a large variety of standard enclosures in as little as 5 days. In addition to NEMA-rated enclosures, we offer UL and CUL listed products for North America, ATEX for the EU, and IEC Ex for the rest of the world. Our third-party certifications are written so that there are no limitations on size, material, or value-added options. Placing orders online is made easy with our online enclosure finder tool. Simply select your enclosure type and material, input the enclosure dimensions, and select any required ratings. Click Learn More on any of the results to find the unit price, lead time, and an in-depth list of specifications. Technical drawings are also available for download. Most standard enclosures also include a white, powder-coated, mild steel back panel. We have over 1,300 parts cataloged, and all are UL listed to withstand the harshest of environmental and corrosive conditions. Once you're ready to buy, you can pay directly on the website using our secure PCI-compliant checkout process. This bypasses the quoting and drafting process and expedites your order. You will receive an order acknowledgement email to confirm your order's ship date and specifications. A job packet will be created that will follow your order throughout the shop floor. Standard online orders are moved to the front of the production line for timely processing. All manufacturing steps are completed in-house with the help of our highly automated workflow. New machines like a fiber laser cutter with automated sheet metal handler and a robotic press brake with modular tool changer provide for consistent, precise metalwork at remarkable speed. Our fiber laser welder allows our team to create a superior weld to reduce finishing time. Our team of highly qualified machine operators, certified welders, powder coat specialists, assembly technicians, and other skilled specialists process each job all the way to shipment. For more specialized orders, we can also seamlessly build custom enclosures to meet your exact specifications, even if your project only requires one unit. Common customizations include sun shields, insulation, specialty finishing, precise laser cutouts, custom sizes and colors, multi-doors, window kits, and more. Quotes for custom orders can be requested online or over the phone. Our highly experienced estimating and engineering team will assess your project and ensure certification compliance. Approval drawings are provided in PDF and 3D SolidWorks files to ensure dimensional accuracy, simplify drawing interpretation, and eliminate errors prior to fabrication. At NEMA Enclosures, we are fully equipped to consistently produce high-quality electrical enclosures for our customers with efficiency and ease. Place an order on our website or contact us for a custom quote today.